In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a FaceTime link to others, whether they're using Android, Windows, or another platform. This simple guide will help you connect with friends and family who are not on an Apple device using just a few easy steps. So let's dive in and make FaceTime more accessible for everyone in your circle. First things first, you'll need to open the FaceTime app on your iPhone or iPad. If you're unfamiliar with FaceTime or haven't used it before, it's an Apple application that lets you make video and audio calls over the internet. It's pre-installed on your Apple device, so just locate the app and tap to open it. Once you're in the app, you'll notice an option right at the top that says Create Link. Go ahead and tap that. This new feature allows you to create a FaceTime call link that works across platforms, meaning anyone with a link can join your call via a web browser, whether they're on Android or Windows. Now, once you've created the link, the next step is deciding how you want to share it. Apple provides several convenient options for sending this link to others. You can choose to share it via Messages, which is Apple's own messaging service, or you could email it through mail. If your go-to communication tool is WhatsApp or another messaging app, feel free to share your link that way. Basically, any method you typically use to communicate with others can work here. Choose what feels most comfortable and reliable for you. After you've sent the link, the rest is up to your friend or family member. All they need to do is click on the link. When they do, it will automatically open in their web browser. Here's the important part. Even though they're using a different operating system, they can join your FaceTime call directly from their browser. No additional application downloads are necessary, making it super easy and straightforward for them to connect with you. This cross-platform capability opens up a whole new world of communication possibilities. Everyone in your life, regardless of the device they own, can now join in on FaceTime calls, keeping you connected like never before. It's all about making sure that distance and device type don't stand in the way of staying in touch with the people who matter most to you. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to bring FaceTime to any device. Remember, the next time you want to reach out, these links are your gateway to more inclusive and far-reaching conversations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.